Hello, welcome to the Accessing Online Courses and Curriculum Materials Asynchronous course. This course is intended to provide teachers with an overview of the blend courses that have been designed for the start of the 2020-2021 school year. The course is laid out with some different elements that'll get you familiar with how the courses were designed, what they are intended to help support us do with our community of learners, and some additional considerations that will help you think through setting up your school year for success with your community of learners and how you will customize your courses. This will not include all of the things that you will need to do. This is just intended to provide you with an overview that you can reference back to as you dig into customizing your courses and adding things that are going to best meet your learning environment. You will begin this course with an overview of Blueprint courses, the why, the what, and the what now. There are 2 provided videos for you to watch. You will select the one that is appropriate for your grade level, elementary or secondary, and you will review a remote learning stances infographic to give you a little bit more information about what went into the course design. You'll then go into some learning for asynchronous versus asynchronous learning and see an overview and what types of things fit into that. With that, you will watch a play pause it bulb and complete some interaction within the video. You'll then move into some synchronous learning considerations and explore at least 2 resources to build your classroom community in a virtual synchronous environment. You'll then have a chance to take a quick screen break, and then you'll move into a recipe for customization, blend Blueprint courses. This is a document that's laid out with many tips and things for you to think through around how you might customize your course. This will depend on your level of comfort with designing and using Blend. This might also depend on your past experiences with designing for a blended learning environment or within a virtual environment. You will really get to customize what that looks like, and those considerations in the recipe for customization will really help guide you in making the best decision for you and your learners. Step 5 is a checklist for your Blueprint courses. This is for your reference at this time. You will not complete the entire checklist. Rather, this is intended to give you a big overview of lots of things that you will need to check and customize or edit within your Blueprint courses to make it work for you and your learners. And then lastly, we'll wrap up with an overview of everything that we covered, and you'll be able to see where you can find some support resources or get help. The last step in this course is going to complete a quiz for course completion that will also be connected with your HCP completion credit. So please make sure that you complete the quiz in order to begin. When you are ready for course navigation, you can click on the Start Here button and it will take you to the first piece of content. At any time, you can also revisit course navigation through modules, and you will be able to see all of the course content. These modules are set up with prerequisites and requirements, so you will progress through the content in a sequential manner, beginning with the welcome page and then moving into the accessing module. You will see that you will know where you are in the module through the green check marks, and as you're progressing through, the green check marks will also show, and you'll notice that you will not have access to the content until you are moving through the modules in the required order. So if you find that you don't have access to something, it's likely that you need to go back and ensure that you have completed the item before. We hope this overview is helpful, and we look forward to seeing all of the amazing things that you will accomplish with your students as we move into the start of the school year.